Hey everybody, it's Chris Frable here with DraganFly. I'm a part of the UAS programs team. We're here at Elevate UAV 2025 with Drone Nerds. And this year, we've got a few products on the table that we're introducing. Of course, we've got our flagship drone, the Commander 3. As always, a reminder, the Commander 3 is great for SUAS because this does stay under the 55-pound weight limit here in the United States. So you can fly this with your Part 107, but it's got a payload capacity of 22 pounds. So when you talk about what you can use this drone for, really the sky's the limit, to turn a pun. But what's really exciting this year is our all-new Apex. This is our DraganFly Apex. This is a smaller aircraft than the Commander 3. It was actually designed off of the criticism and the feedback that we got about the Commander 3 and where it could have been better. The most obvious is the form factor. We've taken this larger format drone, we've brought it down to a smaller scale. It's more easily deployable, it's easier to store, and it's easier to transport with. We also have a product that we've integrated with this. You'll have to excuse me, this is a demo battery, but these two cells can be separated apart, so you can actually take these batteries on an airplane with you. They are rated to be able to travel via airlines when you remove the cells from each other. We've also got our Beast TX here, which we used during our demo flight a little bit earlier today, sort of showcasing the positives of that system and how we can integrate that in a variety of different verticals. If you're interested in learning more about these platforms, any of the payload partners that we work with, or anything else about DraganFly, make sure you go to our website, draganfly.com, and feel free to reach out to me with any questions you might have. I am a product expert here with the company. It's chris.frable@draganfly.com.